How's it going, guys? We're replacing the valves on this 08 Altima head. Long story, but two of the valves got snapped off. Luckily for us, we were able to go to Rock Auto, and from SBI or Rock Auto, they sent us two valves, and the valves that broke off was the exhaust valves. And if you don't know, if it's not in time and you try to turn the motor over, you could possibly snap a valve. So not good. You want to make sure the motor's in time. If you're replacing head gasket, make sure. Here's the valve springs and the retainers. Put them in a bag, that way I don't misplace them. Another piece of advice on the valves for an 08 Altima, for the 2.5 at least. So if you go to O'Reilly's and you try to rent their compressor, it's going to be too big to be able to fit in there. As well as the one that they have on the shelf. I even tried that one. I went and bought that one. Still did not work for this. So we used the old school method. Socket, extension, hammer, and get both hands on there. Boom. There you go. Comes out. Now make sure you do not lose those keepers. What we did was we got a magnet, put it down in there, that way we didn't lose anything. And I'm going to keep you guys updated, because this 08 Altima has been an absolute project. I haven't been able to get as much photos or videos that I have been wanting to, but I'm going to be doing better to do that.